Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to talk about how to connect MT4 or MT5 in TradingView account in 2025. So for that, first of all, you need to search for the website TradingView, and you just have to log into your account. So after logging in, you just have to open your any chart, and uh, below the chart you can see there are multiple options like crypto pair screener, pine editor, strategy tester, replay trading, trading panel. So you have to just click on the trading panel. So here, as you can see, connect through our trusted brokers. There are many brokers like Paper Trading, Paperstone, IC Markets, Binance, FP Markets, CMC Markets. And if we click on all brokers, we can also see OKX, Bybit, Tickmill, Blueberry, and many more. So the sadly I have to tell you that the MetaTrading 4 and MetaTrading 5, which is MT4 and MT5, is currently not available. As you can see, uh, that MetaTrading is not available currently. You can log in uh, by opening an account, and but you cannot use the MT4 MT5 till now. Hope that in future they will be on a working condition in TradingView. We can use that also, not just logging. So that's it for today, guys. You can also just use the other brokers like Binance, it's most popular. You can also use OKX, Bybit, and many more. So that's it for today, guys. See you on the next video. Till